Hello, sweet friends, and welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. Today, I am very excited to share a project with you using Scrapdiva designs. This project is really unique in some ways because of the subject matter, and I can't wait to share it with you. So, let me share with you the dies that I used for this project. And first of all, it is the Fox mini album die set. Now this does the face of the fox, and it comes with the nose and the eyes, eyelashes, and different layering pieces for your mini album. Then I used this one, which was a release from last year, and this one is called the Leaves and Bundle. I used that. I also used the rose petal flowers, which I do not have here, but I did use that to make some flowers. And I use this die a lot, which is the Stitched Scalloped Tag die set. And I find that the sizes in this die set are awesome for journals, junk journals, and mini albums. So I used that one again. So I will have links to the dies in the description box below. They are affiliate links, and I appreciate you using those. It helps me and my channel and doesn't cost you anything extra. You can also use Carol 10 at checkout for 10% off your order. Before I share my project with you, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider joining and subscribing? I'd love to have you. And to all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So let me pull this into view. I know it was a little sneak peek over there. And this is the Fox mini album die on top of here decorating my mini album. Now I think this album is unique, so I put be unique because this is unique to me. And I have done a bunch of layering on here. These right here are the rose flower petals that you see. And of course I've got that, let me get you the leaves bundle are these little gold pieces up here, decorating the little flowers on this cute little fox. And this album measures 8.5 by 5.5 on the outside, and I will show you that it is a chipboard outside album. I did do that because it's very interactive and I wanted some stability in my pieces. So I did do a chipboard album here, and I have a 3-inch spine right there with layering. I will show you the back as well. I love these colors. They're kind of like peach and rust and sage green, and I love it. And there is some pink in there. And I did do several layering pieces in here. So I have 2 pieces of this cream colored cardstock, and I do have some foam on the bottom piece under this printed, and I do have some foam under the rust colored fox as well. So I did do a lot of layering for dimension. So let me go ahead and share this mini album inside with you. And I think it is so adorable. I love these little fox. So what I have here on this page is they open up to put pictures in here on both sides. And the little fox are just adorable, aren't they? And I did make some tags, and they fit right behind here. So what I did is I just made these little foldable pieces, and I just didn't glue behind it so the little tags would fit in there. And as you can see, they are the little scallop tags. Now this is paper that I did create myself. It's not available for purchase anywhere because I created it. So you won't find it on the internet, but it is adorable. I just love it. And then we'll go to this piece here, this side right here. And I've got a little fox on top of this. And this is a die that just opens up like that for a picture. These are little fox. All the little foxes coordinate. So there you could put a picture there, and it's magnetic. On the next page, we have this cute little fox. And this one opens up like this. And I went through my stash of dies, and I went to find some sentiments, and I had this in there. And then I found that I had some little foxes, and I thought that was so cute. I don't think I've ever used them before. And then this opens up. Whoops, that one fell down. This is also magnetic. And I got another little fox die here. And then this just tucks behind that. So you got pictures, place for 3 pictures in here. And then this little ephemera tucks right behind here. And you can journal on the back of that. Put a little picture on the back of that. And it just folds like that. And then we have this little fox on this side. It says sparkle. And then all you do is pull it this way. So I tried to make this very interactive. Isn't that cute little fox? He's so cute. And then go this way. And we got more places for pictures. And then I have this little tuck spot here on this side. And I put these ephemera in there. And they just slide into this little side pocket that I made. And you have a place for a picture there. And this just folds in super easy like that. Here we have another page. And here's another little fox die that I found in my stash. And then I have this little card that pulls out of here. And then you flip it over. I found this little guy in my stash too. I had never used these little foxes before. They are from Cottage Cuts. So we have this card which holds this together. And this opens like this. And isn't this adorable? So we have a little tag in this pocket. I just love these little fox. They're so cute. And then we have this right here, which could put a picture behind. Some little ephemera. And that just tucks right behind there. And then we have this little pocket over here with another little fox inside. And that little tag just goes right inside there. All right. And then that folds in like this. And then this flips up for more pictures on the inside. How cute is that, right? With all the cute little fox. So this is from that leaf bunch. Let's see. The leaf bundle. And it just slides in there and holds that shut. Then on this side we have a little waterfall. This is Cottage Cuts die that I hadn't used that before, and I didn't realize how cute it was. Here are the leaf bundle, and this opens up, and then all of these flip for pictures. And I put a little fox on this one, and then this one. And it just all goes up, and then a little tab like that. Then we'll go to the next page. We have this one, and then I did tags, and this again is the scalloped tags. And I did put some little rusty orange colored paper behind all of these for pictures or journaling. And they just tuck in here. I just love the way this looks. And I did do a little bit of diamonds on here. All right, I'm trying to straighten that out here. Now we're going to go to this side. Look at these cute little foxes. All right, and it's been popped up. And then this just flips up like this. So you could put a picture here, and you could also put a picture there. Isn't he cute? And that's basically all that one is. And then we have this one here, this page. And here I have another Cottage Cuts die that I've never used, this little fox. So I did put him on a couple of tags, which you'll see I put him on this tag too. And then I made a plain tag right here. It says Fabulous. And then we have this page right here. And I have this little fox, and this is from the leaf bundle. And then this is magnetic, and it flips open. And on this side, I have this little Cottage Cuts fox, and I have a place here for a picture. I put a little fox over here, and then we have a waterfall here that flips for pictures in here. So this has quite a few places for pictures. Isn't he cute? So that is that one. And I only made it 4 pages because on the inside there's just 4 pages in here, and then a page here and a page here. So I didn't make it too big because it is pretty thick. I have a 1/2 inch spine for this mini album. Let me get my measurement here. So the spine is 3 inches, and I did a 1/2 inch. Of course, this is a little bit bigger than a 1/2 inch. This one is on an inch. So I think I did 1 3/4 inch gusset so that I could put it under here and hide it. And then it's a 1/2 inch with a 1/2 inch tab on it to attach the pages. And the pages are 7 3/4 by 5 inches. So what I did is I made all my pages first, and then I attached them. I put all my pages together, all my embellishments together, and then I attached them in here. So that is my project for today. I hope you've enjoyed this. Like I said, this is paper that I created especially for this project. I hope you like it. And if you have any comments or questions, please put them in the description box below. Or not description box, but the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. So remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting, everyone. Bye-bye.